What's up everyone, welcome back for another Sneaker Invest episode. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and let's move on to the Sneaker Invest episode. Let's go. Alright, starting off what we sold on eBay. We sold this Air Jordan 3 Retro Vogue Awag and a Winter, and I believe this is the last pair we have. And here you go, we sold this one, Women's Air Jordan 3. We bought this one for $79.99 minus the 30% off. We sold them for $134. Yay, nice color on this one. So after the fees, 134 minus the buy cost of 64, that should be came down to at least $34 on this one. Okay, moving on with the Nike Air Max 720, and we are looking for the size 9. It should be around here. Here we go. So here we go, we got the Air Max 720. Bought them for $99.97 minus the 30%. So after the fees and shipping costs, so I'll be making at least somewhere 25 to 30% return of investment on this one. Not bad for the color though. Next one, we already sold the Nike SB Dunk High Premiums. Hey, okay, look at this, some kind of zebra color. We bought this for $79.97 Nike outlet, and I was surprised when I saw this one on the outlet. It was like, this one is kind of old. So I said to the manager, why do you have this one? And this one has been old. And she said someone returned it. So after how much what we sold them, it's way above the retail, because the retail on this one is $120. We sold them for $158, and also free shipping. That's not bad for a profit, and somewhere around maybe at least 90% return of investment. So Nike SB has been doing a lot of good sale this year. Next one, we are looking for the Nike Vapor Untouchables cleats. Should be somewhere around here. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. We got this football cleats, and I bought this one for $19.99 on Burlington. There you go. The price $20, so $19.99 plus tax. I've been sitting on this for a while also, because it is size 12.5. As you can see right there, I have to sit on it. I know it will sell out, so at least I'm making my money, doubling my money on this one. Not too much risk for investment of $20 for soccer cleats. No, football cleats, because big foot for the huge athlete. So not bad for investment on those. Next one, we are looking for the Nike Air Max 70. Actually, we sold two of this one. I got it right here. Last two pair, and sold them both. Okay, here we go. Sold two of them. Retail on this one is $180, and bought them for $79.99, additional $30, and then I sold them on eBay for somewhere around $98.73 with free shipping. Next one, and this one is the Jordan Trainer 2 Flyknit Respect Jeter Yankees shoes. Actually, we all sold this one also, two of them. Okay, here we go. Jordan Trainer 2 Flyknit the retail, and this one is 140. If I'm not mistaken, I bought this one for $28, so that's a good price. Jordan shoes for $28, and this one sold them on eBay for $75.98, free shipping. This one sitting for at least holding for 6 to 8 months, and now sold the last two pair, so I'm happy. At least I'm tripling my money, $75, and buy cost is 28. Hey, it is a Jordan. I bought this like 50% off, also on Adidas outlet, and this one is really nice, soccer cleats. I believe them, if I'm not mistaken, the retail on this one is way like 200 or 300 something of retail. That is why I'm making a lot of return, because I sold them for 146.28, and then the buyer paid for the shipping. So that is why another tripling my money, so be on the lookout also. So we bought this for $69.97, additional 30%. Been sitting this for a while. I don't know why it's not moving. The color is not bad. I like this one because the color is not gonna get dirty that easily because of the midsole, probably because it is the first generation of the Epi-Acricat Flyknit. That's why kind of old already. And $69.97 by cost minus the 30% still, and also 10.5, just in case I won't be able to resell it, I could still use them. But hey, I sold them for $83.14, making at least somewhere 30 to 40% return of investment. I'll take it. Next one, we got this Vapor Max 2019 black and red, and actually we sold 3 of them, and it's somewhere around here. Okay, so 3 of them, 8.5. I sold it for a little bit lesser than 102 plus shipping, and the buyer paid for the shipping. And this size 9 has been sold for 101.98, and the buyer also paid for the shipping. Now we're moving to another one, and we sold this Nike J. Crew Kill Shot 2 leather. Okay, here we go. And I'm thinking, I already got me this one in the collection. Actually, I got the 10.5, but I'm still like thinking if I wanted to keep the other one too, just in case. Especially, I like the color, simple design of Nike Kill Shot 2 leather J. Crew collaboration. So what do you think? Would you cop them? I would love to hear that. And now we are looking for the Jordan 1 with colorway, and hey, we're making a lot of good ones on this one. If I'm not mistaken, I believe bought this one 79, additional 20 way back then. And size 12, we sold the size 12, and we got a bunch of the size 12 and a bunch of size 13 left. So I've been sitting this one for a while, since November, and here we go. We are making our money, doubling, tripling our money. And nice color of Jordan 1 with colorway, and I already got me in the collection. Hey, doubling money. It is a good one to invest on. This one sitting for a while, and I was hoping I could get more of this one, but anyway, I'll take it for. And by the way, how much did I sell this one? I sold this one for $198 and free shipping. Wow. Actually, I listed this one for $220 because, but then I'm running a promotion of 5%. Hey, I'll take it. I'm still making a money, doubling that money for $198.55. Who wouldn't want it? Please leave a comment down below. What do you think? So that's all what we sold on eBay. We got a bunch of orders, a nice profit, tripling my money on those Jordan 1 with colorway, the Nike SB right there, another one on the cleats, soccer cleats, football cleats, Air Max 720, Killshot 2 leather, and the Vapor Max 2019. Sold a lot of those. And we got a bunch. This one is just the sneaker except for the clothing, so I'm not gonna include the clothing because it's been taking so long. So I would love to hear your thought if you wanted to include the next clothing in the next video. Please leave a comment down below. And with that being said, thank you for watching. Give a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Nolasco here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.